i-SAFA ayichitha ngasikhathi ukuvala isikhala sikaMotlanthe njengoba isimemezele uLeader Mnyepawu osazoba yi-CEO welenhlangano emva kwesikhashana nje uMotlanthe esulile. Yize engenabanga ngembangelo yokusula kwakhe, uMotlanthe uthi akuyemene nomsebenzi abawenzela i-SAFA.
I don't have any bad blood with anyone, including the president. We work well with the president. He has been a father. He has guided me. It's just a personal decision which I've taken. And I would like to thank the National Executive Committee. They've given me support, the regents members and to staff. I also wish them all the best.
Mnyepawu ubebhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke kwalenhlangano, wake wadlalela iBanyana Banyana, waphinde waba ngumphathi wayo.
I do have, the knowledge in terms of what was happening and, what needs to be carried forward. I was very much involved with the 2027 bid and women's football and other operations on that side. It's big shoes that I'm filling, but, I think, I have to hit the ground running and I'm capable of hitting the ground running.
Umengameli we-SAFA uJordan uthi bazohlangana ukucubungula imbandela ezoba yingxenye yenkontileka kaMnyepawu.